Tall buildings are a necessity in cities, but sometimes these towering structures come with high threats.
News reports in the past have shown how unsafe and ill-equipped many of these buildings are when it comes to dousing the fire that's engulfed within.
So trying to put an end to such incidents is the collaborative effort between DuPont and DLF, a safety vision to undertake infrastructural projects with zero tolerance to any unsafe occurrence.
India's largest real estate firm DLF has partnered with DuPont Sustainable Solutions, a world leader in occupational safety, to design and implement world-class safety standards all across its business setups in India, taking ahead DuPont's mantra that all accidents are preventable.
There is a science to being safer. This is not about setting rules and policies and then policing their implementation. This is about orienting yourself to think, act and feel in a manner where being safe is the only way to be. And this does not happen by accident. You really have to make it happen and create a transformation by design.
DLF is the first real estate company in India to have filed for 5 patents pertaining to safety against any possible hazard. It has invested time, money and resources for these unique inventions that are critical for safety of its buildings, premises and clients.
There should not be any human accident or human loss of life. So the whole focus is to have a zero accident. The second point is in the zero accident, yes, in case a fire accident happens, the first thing is first save all your people, then only the property. So it also has been defined saying that zero loss of life is our first priority.
This collaborative mission takes the urban integrated townships to a new innovative level by providing a safe and comfortable corporate environment with zero danger to people and property. Watch the full story this weekend on The Power of Shunya, only on Times Now.